Dogecoin value equivalent to 1.6687 rands a coin. The present cost range, 1.5915 1.6758. The earlier day close, 1.5998. The change was plus 0.0689, plus 4.31%. Opposite rate, ZAR to Doge. Dogecoin cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Dogecoin cost forecast on Friday, April 21, cost 1.50 rands, high 1.61, low 1.40. Dogecoin estimate on Monday, April 24, cost 1.53 rands, high 1.64, low 1.42. Dogecoin cost forecast on Tuesday, April 25, cost 1.56 rands, high 1.67, low 1.45. Dogecoin estimate on Wednesday, April 26, cost 1.59 rands, high 1.70, low 1.48. In multi-week Dogecoin cost forecast on Thursday, April 27, cost 1.56 rands, high 1.67, low 1.45. Dogecoin estimate on Friday, April 28, cost 1.59 rands, high 1.70, low 1.48. Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday, May 1, cost 1.66 rands, high 1.78, low 1.54. Dogecoin conjecture on Tuesday, May 2, cost 1.67 rands, high 1.79, low 1.55. Dogecoin cost expectation on Wednesday, May 3, cost 1.65 rands, high 1.77, low 1.53. In about 14 days Dogecoin conjecture on Thursday, May 4, cost 1.70 rands, high 1.82, low 1.58. Dogecoin cost expectation on Friday, May 5, cost 1.75 rands, high 1.87, low 1.63. Dogecoin conjecture on Monday, May 8, cost 1.74 rands, high 1.86, low 1.62. Dogecoin cost expectation on Tuesday, May 9, cost 1.68 rands, high 1.80, low 1.56. Dogecoin conjecture on Wednesday, May 10, cost 1.54 rands, high 1.65, low 1.43. In 3 weeks Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday, May 11, cost 1.48 rands, high 1.58, low 1.38. Dogecoin conjecture on Friday, May 12, cost 1.72 rands, high 1.84, low 1.60. Dogecoin cost expectation on Monday, May 15, cost 1.70 rands, high 1.82, low 1.58. Dogecoin figure on Tuesday, May 16, cost 1.66 rands, high 1.78, low 1.54. Dogecoin cost expectation on Wednesday, May 17, cost 1.77 rands, high 1.89, low 1.65. In about a month Dogecoin figure on Thursday, May 18, cost 1.82 rands, high 1.95, low 1.69. Dogecoin cost expectation on Friday, May 19, cost 1.76 rands, high 1.88, low 1.64. Dogecoin figure on Monday, May 22, cost 1.81 rands, high 1.94, low 1.68. Dogecoin value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Dogecoin cost expectation for April 2023. Initially cost at 1.37 rands. Excessive cost 1.84, while low cost 1.35. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.54. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 1.59. Change for April 16.1%. Dogecoin figure for May 2023. Before all else cost at 1.59 rands. Excessive cost 1.96, while low cost 1.38. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.63. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 1.58. Change for May 0.6%. Dogecoin cost expectation for June 2023. To start with cost at 1.58 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.58, while low cost 1.37. Found the middle value of cost 1.50. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 1.47. Change for June 7.0%. Dogecoin gauge for July 2023. To start with cost at 1.47 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.47, while low cost 1.23. Found the middle value of cost 1.37. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 1.32. Change for July 10.2%. Dogecoin cost expectation for August 2023. To start with cost at 1.32 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.64, while low cost 1.32. Found the middle value of cost 1.45. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 1.53, change for August 15.9%. Dogecoin gauge for September 2023. To start with cost at 1.53 rands, exorbitant cost 1.53, while low cost 1.20. They found the middle value of cost 1.39. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.29, change for September 15.7%. Dogecoin cost expectation for October 2023. At the outset cost at 1.29 rands, excessive cost 1.29, while low cost 1.00. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.17. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.08, change for October 16.3%. Dogecoin conjecture for November 2023. At the outset cost at 1.08 rands, excessive cost 1.34, while low cost 1.08. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.19. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.25, change for November 15.7%. Dogecoin cost expectation for December 2023. At the outset cost at 1.25 rands, excessive cost 1.42, while low cost 1.24. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.31. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.33, change for December 6.4%. Dogecoin conjecture for January 2024. At the outset cost at 1.33 rands, excessive cost 1.33, while low cost 1.15. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.26. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 1.24, change for January 6.8%. Dogecoin cost expectation for February 2024. First and foremost cost at 1.24 rands, exorbitant cost 1.39, while low cost 1.21. They found the middle value of cost 1.29. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 1.30, change for February 4.8%. Dogecoin estimate for WAC 2024. First and foremost cost at 1.30 rands, exorbitant cost 1.30, while low cost 1.01. They found the middle value of cost 1.18. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 1.09, change for spring 16.2%. Dogecoin cost expectation for April 2024. First and foremost cost at 1.09 rands, exorbitant cost 1.09, while low cost 0.86. They found the middle value of cost 0.99. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 0.92, change for April 15.6 rand to Doge conversion scale equivalent to 0.5993 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.5967 minus 0.6283. The earlier days nearby 0.6251. Change for now 0.0258, 4.13%. ZAR to Doge cost expectation for in the not so distant future and month. Rand to Dogecoin conjecture on Friday, April 21, cost 0.667